Hey guys, if you want to turn off dark mode on your iPhone, either across the entire device or in specific apps, here's how you can do it. First, let's make sure dark mode is disabled in your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Display and Brightness. At the top, you'll see the appearance options. Select Light to turn off dark mode. You can also disable Automatic if you don't want your iPhone to switch between light and dark mode automatically based on the time of day. However, changing your iPhone's appearance doesn't always change the theme inside every app. For example, if you open YouTube and it's still using dark mode, you'll need to change the setting directly inside the YouTube app. Open YouTube, tap your profile icon, and then tap the Settings gear. Next, select General and open Appearance. Here, you can choose Light Theme, Dark Theme, or Use Device Theme. If you select Use Device Theme, YouTube will automatically follow the appearance setting of your iPhone. Keep in mind that other apps, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, may also have their own appearance settings. If an app remains in dark mode, check its settings for a manual light or dark theme option. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.